People say size doesn't matter, but I disagree when it comes to this house.
Me, myself, and Irene. We don't see the same no more. Always switching on the home team.
6 bath, 6 bedrooms, almost 6,000 square foot with a surprise. Let me show you 213 Brandfield Drive. 5,798 square foot. Coming in, you do have a multifunctional room with lots of light, an office space, or for a separate piano room or living room space, whatever you'd like. You also do have the formal dining room space. Coming in, you have what is the magic, the living room space. This living room space is amazing. Super high ceilings and custom light fixtures as well. Coming in the kitchen, you do have beautiful granite countertops, a lot of countertop space. You got the pantry, you got lots of cabinet space, double ovens, and a gas range. We also do have a super large bedroom downstairs with its own bathroom and walk-in closet. Coming up to the second floor, you do have 3 bedrooms in total. You got the main and you got 2 decent sized bedrooms on this side of the house with their own hall bathroom. Both of them have walk-in closets, and you got the laundry room up here with all the bedrooms. This office, by the way, was customized the way that it has 2 entryways, so you don't have to disturb your spouse. But take a look at this humongous main bedroom, 3 large windows letting in a lot of light, and take a look at that ensuite with a huge walk-in closet, tiled shower, and a bathtub. Welcome to the 3rd floor. You got a mini bar. Yes, it has 3 floors, 5,798 square foot, 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. Up here, you have a huge common space area, 2 more extremely large bedrooms, plus you got 2 full bathrooms. Last but not least, as promised, you got the bonus room. The owner upgraded this to the house with commercial grade stoves, ovens, perfect for entertaining family parties and everything you want to do. 3-car garage. It has heavy duty rubber mats on the bottom, so super for your home gym. And you got a bunch of storage out here that is actually hidden behind a mirror. Outside, the homeowner did upgrade this walkway as well as the landscaping up front and on the side to get to this beautiful backyard. Coming into the backyard is, again, homeowner spent a lot of money to landscape it with beautiful palm trees, rock, and concrete, so you don't have to worry about mowing your yard. But you could potentially put a hot tub, jacuzzi up here under the gazebo. There is electrical. You do have also a 10x10 shed, which the homeowner currently uses as his dog kennel because it is air conditioned.